Reading a website in another language does not have to be difficult. Chrome has a built-in translation tool that can translate many web pages in just a few clicks. In this guide, I'll show you how to translate web pages in Google Chrome and manage your translation settings. First, open a web page written in a language different from your Chrome language. Chrome may automatically show a translation pop-up near the top right corner of the browser. In the pop-up, click your preferred language, such as English. Chrome will refresh the page and translate the visible text for you. If the translation pop-up does not appear, you can translate the page manually. Look for the Translate icon on the right side of Chrome's address bar. Click the Translate icon, then choose the language you want to read. If you do not see the icon, right-click anywhere on the page and select Translate to your language. Chrome usually translates pages into your default browser language, but you can choose another language anytime. Open the Translate menu and click the three-dot button. Then select Choose Another Language. Pick the language you want from the list, and Chrome will translate the page again. If you often visit websites in the same language, you can tell Chrome to translate that language automatically. Open the Translate menu, click the three dots, and choose Always Translate this language. From now on, Chrome will try to translate pages in that language whenever you open them. Yeah, this is useful for news sites, shopping pages, or forums you visit regularly. If Chrome never offers to translate pages, check the language setting. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Settings. From the left menu, select Languages. Then make sure the option that says Use Google Translate or Offer to translate pages that are not in a language you read is turned on. If a page still will not translate, refresh it and try again. You can also check that your internet connection is working and temporarily disable extensions that may interfere with the page. Keep in mind that some pages, images, and embedded content may not translate perfectly, but most regular website text should work well. And that's how to translate web pages in Chrome. You can use the Quick Translate button, click the page, choose another language, or turn on automatic translation for languages you visit often. You know, it is a simple feature that makes browsing websites from around the world much easier.